Good morning, Joe Van Orsdol again with Right Home Inspections. Doing a home inspection here in Bloomington, Minnesota, looking at a water heater that's got a little bit of a leak to it. Water connections sometimes leak if they're not put together properly or from age. So we've got some leak that's been happening at this fitting. It's hard to say if the leak's coming from the fitting or from the pipe or exactly what's going on here, but there's water and quite a bit of corrosion all over the top of the water heater. And it's been happening for a long time because the top of the water heater and the baffle going down through the water heater is rusted through, which could potentially cause a leak of carbon monoxide back into the house because things may not be breathing properly. So this is definitely a safety issue. And when water heaters leak, they can leak a little bit for a long time, or they can just let go and leak all at once. And when you leak a water heater, it's not just the 40 gallons that's in it that's going to end up on the floor, but all day long the city is going to keep trying to fill it back up through the meter. So you're just going to have running water in your basement all day long. So just look at things around your house, look for deterioration, and understand that these are not going to fix themselves. You just need to replace it. Just another reason for a thorough home inspection with Right Home Inspections. That's all for now.